Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about modern day tune-ups, and are they like older day tune-ups or not? A lot of things have changed on vehicles today. We've gone from an ignition system that's a direct coilover with coils that sit on top of each individual spark plug from the distributor style old system that we used to have. Back in the day, your grandfather would probably get out there, put points and condenser and replace the distributor cap and rotor and spark plugs on the vehicle roughly every 30,000 miles. Today, most vehicles don't need spark plugs and coil boots replaced till up around 90 to 100,000 miles. Some vehicles, they call for it 105,000 miles. So today, what exactly does a tune-up exist with, and what components are recommended to replace? Most vehicles, like we stated, the spark plugs between 90 and 105,000 miles. And it's a great idea to replace the coil boots when you're doing the spark plugs, as these tend to be like the spark plug wires. Fuel filters, air filters, and PCV valve. The tune-up's changed a lot. My recommendation is to get your vehicle in to a qualified technician, have the vehicle tuned up properly, and the components replaced that need to be. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.